No, this is not live. Welcome back to my broadcast. I'm Chris Aaron, the meteorologist, the real weatherman in Central Maryland. Yes, please, everybody, do me one favor. Share this video. And also, I have a whole new actual weather group on Facebook. It's called Chris Airy 2020 Weather TV. Thank you. All right, it is November 19th. It is midnight. It is 2020. It is at midnight. Your current temperature has dropped at 30 degrees now. So yeah, it's cold out here. Yes, I'm outside. Yes. And you say, why are you outside doing the actual video? Because I can. That's what I live for. This is my job. Well, it ain't my main job, but you know how it is, right? Yeah, it is what it is. Um, your dew point was at 24 degrees at 5,000 feet. That's called a loft. Up there, not down here. Up there. Down here, it's at freezing. Up there, it's at 24 degrees. Thank you. Our winds are from the north-northwest at 1 mile per hour. So the winds have diminished a little bit here. Okay. Your lows tonight will stay mostly into the upper 20s. So not much change. A few more degrees colder overnight, but not much is going to happen. Okay, precipitation wise, I'm expecting mostly nothing here going to happen. All right, Thursday, yes, Thursday, I'm expecting at 53 degrees across Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area, mostly low 50s. Normal high now in Baltimore is about 57. 57 is your normal as of November 19th. Okay? Thank you. Your normal low at night is about 42. Okay, going into Thursday night, I'm expecting upper 30s. That's almost almost normal. Okay? Friday, a much warming trend as that major trough does pull out. I have no maps because it's so cold out here. I can't pull no maps out here, okay? I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Um, Saturday at 63 as well. Low 60s, so it's going to get above normal here just for a brief actual period, okay? Monday at 60. That's your major chance of any kind of major rain is on Monday. Now, here comes the major actual question. Has it been a very normal fall? I would say yes. Overall, it's been a very normal fall. There's been no major cold invasions. Not much. A little bit of wind here and there, but even the actual Great Lakes is still dry as far as lake effect snow. I mean, what? We're in what? Almost late November, and we're barely even getting any lake effect snow here. It's just starting. That's crazy. That just tells you. Now, there's more hurricane activity. There's more hurricane activity across South America, Central America. It never goes away. Now, what does this actually mean? And through the whole rest of the actual winter season? Well, usually when we have a very active hurricane season, that usually means it's a mild winter. Usually. I would really say that we are going to have a mild winter. But in certain places. North of here could be much not a mild winter. It it now this winter it's all based on where you're at. On what is called mild or normal or cold. So not just in Maryland. This winter is going to be based on basically where you're at, your location. That's the major factor from Maine down to Florida. So yeah, West Virginia, yep, Missouri, everywhere. It's so complicated. I know. I'm getting all my maps all ready for you, so I can really tell you exactly how good I actually am. All right. I'm expecting a near normal November overall. I would really say mostly near normal as far as your actual temperatures. Precipitation below normal. Yes. Now, as we go into December, that's a major actual month here. That's a major factor. That could really make a major actual change here. I'm expecting normal. Precipitation normal. Temperature wise, normal. At least as of yet, so far. White Christmas, we had one back in 2002, on December 25th, 2002. It rained in the morning and it turned to snow in the afternoon. I remember because I lived in Perry Hall. Thank, thank you very much. Because it got colder. It rained in the morning. I woke up on that cloudy day. 2002, back in December 25th, on that Christmas morning, it rained, and you heard these actual sleet pellets. It sleeted, and it rained. The dew point was perfect. It was cold aloft, and it turned to all snow across the Perry Hall and also Baltimore, Washington area as well. How do I actually know all this stuff? Because I study everything. I study everything. You got to listen to everything I say. This is very important here. Thank you. All right. So they're actually expecting, NOAA is expecting a above normal winter. I'm expecting a mild winter. So they're expecting what I'm not really. So NOAA's saying this, I'm saying that. They're saying this, I'm saying that. It depends on, look, you've got to actually hear me. You've got to listen to the whole video so you can understand what I'm talking about. Last year we had cold temperatures, but no precipitation. That's what actually kills us here. It's called lack of precipitation. If you get no moisture and you get cold air, it's bad. Yeah, of course. 2017 was bad. We had no precipitation. It got cold at the very beginning. And that was a mild winter. 18 was also cold a little bit, but just dry. We have no major infusions of moisture that meets up with the cold air. That's a major problem. That's why everything is so, why we're not getting anything, because it gets cold at night. We have all those major cold fronts. It's going to get much windier going into December as well. Oh yeah. We're going to have wind in December. We're going to have wind gusts over 40 miles an hour when we get these northwest winds. But we are going to have some south winds. It's going to get warmer again. Yes. What makes a perfect winter? Well, there is no perfect winter, but it's where everything is called duration. Please hear the words. It's called duration. It means the timing. How long does the cold air last? And going through time, I see everything in December. It's not going to really last long. It's going to get cold again. It's going to get warm again. Cold again. I know everything's going to happen in December. I know everything. I already know it. But before you even actually know, you can't go on your phones and Google nothing. I already know everything. Thank you. You can't even do that. You can't go on your phones and say, well, in December it's going to be like this. I already actually know. So, yeah. I got to you faster, didn't I? Absolutely. I'm faster than any smartphone or any tablet that you could even think about. Bam, fools. Great night for TV. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, everything this winter season, it all depends on duration, northern branch, southern branch. This is not live, no. So if you're actually hearing me, all your school kids or you're out of actual school, I'll be doing something on your actual social media page to try to get you. It's called out of the actual classroom, in the actual classroom, to educate you on, as far as certain like weather-like subjects. Northern branch, southern branch, moisture, and duration. That's all you have got to actually know. Northern branch of the actual jet stream. That brings in colder air. The southern branch brings in subtropical air. It brings in moisture from the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. That's what causes these major low pressure systems that forms off the southeast coast. It's all about timing. Temperature, timing, northern branch, southern branch, yep, duration. How long does the cold air last? I'll explain more soon about this, okay? Thanks for watching me. It's cold out here. Current temperature was at 30 degrees. Dew point was at 24 at 5,000 feet. Thank you very much. Winds are from the north-northwest at 1 mile per hour maximum winds. Okay? Now, we have clear skies. We have light winds. Now, what's that called? It's called radiational cooling. That means where all the heat goes back in outer space, it cools the atmosphere down at night, and it makes it much colder at the actual surface. Temperatures, that's why it's at 32 degrees, if not at 30, as of the last advisor, okay? No, this is not live, but anyway, I'll explain more about your December forecast, which could be a possible white Christmas across some places from Pennsylvania down to possibly Maryland, going into December 25th. Everything on this map looks almost good for a white Christmas, but the temperatures will be here, I think. But we need the precipitation to be here as well. If the cold air is here, we need the moisture. If you get the moisture, a major blizzard going into Christmas Day or even Christmas Eve. I will explain more if this does possibly happen. If it happens, the odds of this happening is about 25%, but I'll explain more soon. I'm Chris Airy, the meteorologist. Have an awesome night. It's cold out here. I'm used to it. And I'm also used to the actual fake news about me saying I'm a fake weatherman. I know nothing about politics. Stick to your day job. Fake news. Trust me, I'm used to it. Have an awesome night, everybody. Bam, everybody. You know why? Great night for TV. There you go. Have an awesome night, everybody. Later.